Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to save Snapchat video on your gallery. Let's start. At first you have to open your Snapchat app. In here, if you tap on the people icon, then you guys can discover new videos. You guys can also save them. And then if you tap on the video icon, and then if you guys can find the spotlight videos, and here choose the video that you want to save. Then if you guys want to download it, then tap on the three dots, and in here you guys can see export or send snap option. If you tap on here, then you guys can see share to option. If you scroll like this, then you guys can find out download option. You guys can download it from here. Here you have another option. If you guys tap on here, then you guys can also find out this option, and you guys can also download it from the share option. If you tap on here, then it will be exporting to your gallery. After opening your gallery, you guys can find out the Snapchat video that you have downloaded right now. So this is how you guys can download Snapchat video on your gallery. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.